Laos.
Magpies.
Hah?
In Indonesia, we also say it Netflix.
Oke, Indonesia ya.
Say Netflix.
In Malaysia, we say Netflix.
Ya,
In
hampir sama
Myanmar,
lah.
we say Netflix.
In Chinese, we say Wang Fei.
Fei?
일본은 넷플릭스.
Waduh.
In Thai,
America, we say popcorn.
Oke,
In Korean,
popcorn.
we say popcorn. In
Popcorn.
Chinese, we say 爆米花.
일본은 popcorn.
Popcorn.
In Thai, we say popcorn.
Ah, sama lah.
We say bỏng ngô.
몽골에서는
뭐?
popcorn.
In Uzbekistan we say popcorn.
Oke.
we say popcorn.
In Thailand, we say popcorn.
In Indonesia, we also say it popcorn.
Oke.
In Laos, we say popcorn.
In the Philippines, we say popcorn.
In Malaysia, we say popcorn.
In
Popcorn.
Myanmar, we say bao bao.
Oh, so cute.
Ayo, what's up, Re? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai Re, bertemu lagi ada saya di sini. Wak Lonjong, salam lonjong. Hiya. Apa kabar kawan-kawan? Semoga semua dalam kondisi yang sehat, Re ya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Oke, geng, sesuai dengan tajuk di video kali ini, geng ya. Memang kebetulan sebenarnya ada 1 minggu yang lalu itu ada kawan yang request dari DM Instagram, tapi beliau tidak mau disebut namanya dikarenakan mungkin masalah privacy, geng ya. Nah, ini dia dari channel World Friends, geng ya. Itu dia. Kalau kalian dari sini, geng ya, ada beberapa bendera-bendera, geng ya. Ada Thailand, ada India, ada Malaysia, China, Laos, Singapura ya. Ada Filipina, ada juga Korea, Jepun, Vietnam, ya, Indonesia juga ya. Tajuknya adalah ASEAN English Difference, geng. Nah, jika kita berbicara tentang English Difference, geng, biasanya di beberapa negara itu menyebut satu benda itu memakai kosakata yang agak pelik dan ada juga yang sedikit aneh, geng ya. Misal, geng ya, ada satu negara yang menyebut satu jenama merek Coca-Cola misal. Nah, mungkin di negara E menyebutnya itu adalah cola, mungkin di negara B menyebut itu Coke ya. Lalu di negara yang lainnya itu menyebut hanya Cole atau cola ya kan. Jadi maksud saya ya, satu benda itu terkadang untuk beberapa negara itu penyebutannya agak pelik dan mungkin berbeda, geng ya. Nah, di video ini, geng, akan membahas itu dikarenakan ada beberapa audiens Asia, geng ya, yang telah berkumpul di sini. Oke, kita akan coba untuk melihat bersama-sama, geng, seperti apa videonya, geng ya. Nah, seperti biasanya, geng, sebelum kita mulai video ini hanya sekedar mengingatkan untuk kawan-kawan yang mungkin belum sholat, jangan lupa sholat dulu. Dan jika kalian ingin membeli jam tangan, kasut, bag laki, bag perempuan, ada topi, baju Melayu, baju raya, atau mungkin jersey ya, silakan, geng ya, kalian klik link yang ada di bawah ini, geng. Jika ada barangan yang sesuai, kalian tinggal check out, beberapa hari sudah sampai di rumah kalian, geng ya. Oke, kita akan coba untuk lihat bersama-sama, geng, seperti apa videonya, geng ya. Oke, World Friends. They are 16 Asians here. Oke. Fokus ya, tolong fokus.
And I'm from America.
Fokus, kawan-kawan.
Like maybe half will be the same and maybe half will be very different. Maybe with some more modern words it would all be really similar.
Oke. Netflix.
In America we say Netflix.
In Korean, we say Netflix.
In Chinese, we say Wang Fei.
Fei?
일본은 넷플릭스.
Waduh.
In Thai, we say Netflix. In Vietnam, we say Netflix.
Ya.
몽골에서는 Netflix.
In
Netflix.
Uzbekistan we say Netflix.
In
Okay.
India we say Netflix.
In
Oke.
Thailand, we say Netflix.
In
Laos.
Laos we say Magpies.
In Indonesia we also say it Netflix.
Oke,
In the
Indonesia
Philippines,
ya.
we say Netflix.
In Malaysia we say Netflix.
Ya, hampir sama lah.
We say Netflix.
In Singapore, we say Netflix. In the
Netflix.
Philippines, it's Netflix too.
Well, I think that this time China and Laos was the most interesting.
Yeah.
It sounds the most different. But usually because it's another modern word, it sounds all pretty similar.
Wang Fei.
Next part.
Yeah, it is.
Next price.
It's the most different, I think. I think maybe Laos because of pronunciation, and I feel like China sometimes has their own word for
Yeah,
everything.
that's true.
Yeah.
Wang Fei means net. Wang means net.
Yeah.
Fei means fly.
Yeah, they're like they
Night
made it their
flying,
own.
yeah.
word,
Yeah. Jadi ada dua negara yang menyebut Netflix itu agak beda nih geng ya, China dan juga Laos. Coba kita dengar sekali lagi.
网飞
Wang Fei,
Price.
Yeah,
Nets Price. Oke.
it is. Because it's the most different, I think. Maybe, I think maybe Laos because of pronunciation, and I feel like China sometimes has their own word for
Yeah,
everything.
that's true.
Yeah.
王妃 means
Wang Fei.
net. Wang means net.
Net.
Fei means fly.
Oh.
Yeah, they are
like
like they
night
made it their
flying,
own
yeah.
word.
Netfly.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh. Oke, sekarang popcorn.
In America, we say popcorn.
Oke,
In Korean,
popcorn.
we say popcorn.
In
Popcorn.
Chinese we say 爆米花.
일본은 popcorn.
Popcorn.
In Thai, we say popcorn.
Ah,
In
sama
Vietnam,
lah.
we say bonggo. 몽골에서는
뭐?
popcorn.
In Uzbekistan, we say popcorn.
Oke.
India we say popcorn.
In Thailand, we say popcorn. In Indonesia, we also say it popcorn.
Oke.
say popcorn.
In the Philippines, we say popcorn. In Malaysia, we say popcorn.
In
Popcorn.
Myanmar we say 爆爆.
Oh,
Hah?
so cute.
In
Ada-
Singapore,
agak
we
aneh.
say popcorn. In Philippines, we say popcorn.
I like it.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
they all sound like popcorn except for a few. And just like for pronunciation, I always like how Japan sounds. It's so cute. And also, oh, which one was Papa? Man,
pop,
what?
pop.
Yeah, I love that. That's so cute.
Sebutannya agak beda.
爆爆.
Pop. Papa. Tolong fokus kawan-kawan ya, tolong fokus ini ya. Aduh, yang Jepun ini kawaii, geng. kita coba dengar sekali lagi, geng.
popcorn.
Popcorn.
爆爆.
Oke.
So cute.
Oke, McDonald's. Nah, biasanya kalau dekat Malaysia ya, atau mungkin kawan-kawan Singapura, Brunei, ini macam mana penyebutannya, geng? Kalau di Indonesia biasanya ada dua sebutan, McDonald's dan juga McD. Biasanya begitu sih. Oke, next.
In America,
nonton.
we say McDonald's.
In Korean, we say McDonald.
In Chinese we say 麦当劳.
일본은 마크도날드.
Maku Naruto. Agak lain nih Jepun, geng.
마크도날드.
Ah.
In Thailand, we say McDonald.
Ah,
We say McDonald.
ah.
In Indonesia, we say McDonald or we short it as McD.
In Uzbekistan, we say
McD.
In India we say McDonald's or McD.
Sama
We
dengan
say
Indonesia nih.
McDonald.
Laos, we say McDonald's.
몽골에서는 McDonald 아니면 Mac.
In the Philippines, we say McDonald's or shorten it to McDo.
McDo.
In Malaysia, we say McDonald or McD.
In Myanmar we
McD.
say McDonald's.
McDonald.
In Singapore, we say McDonald's or we say Max.
In
Oh.
Philippines, we say McDonald's or McDo.
McDo.
Oh, yeah, like I thought, since it's a more modern word, it's pretty similar. But some of them sounded more interesting, like Philippines, and I don't remember. There's so many, I don't remember which other one was kind of interesting. But I think it's cool how a lot of them call them McD's or Max. Because in
Max.
America, the shortened version of McDonald's is Mickey D's.
Mickey G's.
Yeah. I don't know why it's Mickey, but it is.
Mickey. Yang agak lucu tadi beberapa negara, geng. Coba kita dengar sekali lagi. Ya, kita dengar sekali lagi sebutan Mongolia, India sama Indonesia sama, geng, sebutannya ya. McD juga, McDonald's atau McD, geng ya. Oke, coba kita dengar sekali lagi. Ini yang agak lain nih, geng ya. Magu Toruto. Itulah, geng.
In Korean, we say McDonald.
Nah,
In Chinese we say 麦当劳.
oke lah.
일본은 마크도날드. In Thailand, we say McDonald. Vietnam, we say
Lain nih,
McDonald.
Jepun.
In Indonesia, we say McDonald or we short it as McD.
In
McD.
Uzbekistan, we say McDonald.
In India we say McDonald's or McD.
In Thailand, we say
Okay.
McDonald.
McDonald.
Laos, we say McDonald's.
McDonald's.
몽골에서는 McDonald 아니면 Mac.
In the Philippines, we say McDonald's or shorten it to McDo.
Oh,
In Malaysia, we say McDonald or McD.
In
McD
Myanmar we say
sama lah.
McDonald's.
Oh.
In Singapore, we say McDonald's or we say Max.
In
Max,
Philippines,
shortnya
we
ya,
say
Max.
McDonald's or McDo.
McDo.
Yeah, like I thought.
Oke. Ada beberapa yang pelik, ada yang hampir sama dengan aslinya, geng ya. Oke, next kita lanjut lagi, geng. Cupcake. Sekarang
In
cupcake.
America, we say cupcake.
Oke.
In Korean, we say cupcake.
In
Cupcake.
Chinese, we say 马芬 or 杯子蛋糕.
오,
일본은 cupcake.
cupcake.
In Thai, we say cupcake.
In Vietnam, we say
Okay.
cupcake.
Cupcake.
몽골에서는 아이르테 빌소.
Oke.
In Uzbekistan we say cakes.
In
Cakes.
India, we say cupcakes or muffins. as well.
Muffins.
In
Ah.
Thailand, we say cupcake. Generally, in Indonesia, we also call it cupcake.
In Laos we say cupcake.
In the Philippines, we say cupcake.
Aha.
In Malaysia, we also say cupcake.
In Myanmar, we say cupcake. In
Yeah.
Singapore, we also say cupcake.
Ah, hampir sama lah.
We say cupcake.
I like it. I like hearing cupcake. It's a cute word already. But at this time, I think China and Mongolia
Ya,
stole
Mongolia
the
nih, agak beda.
show with their own words for cupcake.
Uh-huh.
I can't even try to say it again. It was kind of long, way longer than cupcake, so I can't remember. But it was cool.
Oke, bicycle.
In America, we say
Ah.
bicycle.
In Korean, we say 자전거.
In Chinese,
Oh, wait. Apa? Jajongo. Jajongo. Bicycle, bersepeda. Oke.
Say 자전거.
in Chinese, we say 自行车.
일본은
오케이.
지대샤. In Thai, we say 자카얀.
Mhm.
In Vietnam, we say xe đạp. 몽골에서는 도고이.
In Uzbekistan we say velosiped or velik.
In India, we say cycle.
Cycle.
In Thailand, we say 자카얀.
Cak
In
ya.
Indonesia, we call it sepeda.
Sepeda.
In Laos we say
Ya.
botip.
In the Philippines, we say bike or bisikleta.
Oh, bisikleta.
In Malaysia, we say bicycle or in Malay, basikal.
Basikal kalau Malaysia, geng.
In Singapore, we say bicycle or bike, something.
Oke.
In Philippines, we say it as bisikleta.
Bisikleta.
Oh, I think it was cooler this time because since bike is kind of like an old thing, I figured most of them would have their own word for it. And I thought it was also interesting how some of
Tolong
them
fokus
kinda
ya.
had a similar S sound in the beginning. Like maybe that's related somehow, but it was really cool.
Oke. Sandwich. Nah,
In
ini
America, we
sandwich.
say sandwich.
In
Oke.
Korean, we say sandwich.
In
Sandwich.
Chinese, we say 三明治.
일본은 산도위치. In Thai, we say sandwich.
In
sandwich.
Vietnam, we say bánh sandwich. 몽골에서는 샌드위치 아니면 탈락 때 합주할 때 탈락.
Mem. Itu Mongol, geng. Jadi kalau kalian mau pesan sandwich ya, pengucapannya harus seperti ini, geng.
샌드위치 아니면 탈락 때 합주할 때 탈락.
In Uzbekistan is the same
Uzbek.
sandwich.
Sama sandwich.
In India, we may say sandwich or bread toast.
Bread
In Thailand, we
toast.
say sandwich. Most of Indonesian also call it sandwich, but we can also say it as roti lapis.
Roti
In Laos we
berlapis.
say khao chi.
In the
Kauci.
Philippines, we say sandwich. So it's more like TS.
In Malaysia, we just say sandwich.
Sandwich
In
juga
Myanmar,
Malaysia,
we
geng.
say sandwich or atanya pamok.
Oh,
In
lebih susah
Singapore, it's
itu.
the same, sandwich.
In Philippines, it's sandwich.
Oh, I like it. I like how this one was like half and half. Some countries just say sandwich, but some have really like wow, like Mongol again,
Yeah.
Mongolia, wow.
Mongolia.
With that sandwich, I actually want to hear that again. That was so interesting. That was so fun. It was really fun to hear like all the different words. I expected most like modern words to all be the same, but it was still pretty different with the pronunciation. And some countries always made their own word for it, I feel like. So that was so cool to hear. Oh, I think always Mongolia always is so interesting to me.
Mongolia.
Even the other times hearing it. I think because I never heard it much before. It's so cool.
It's so
Today, we compare
cool.
the words we use.
If you like the video, please subscribe and
Jangan lupa subscribe, geng. Udah saya subscribe sih, geng, Kak. Oke, jadi seolah-olah ini Amerika berdiri di tengah-tengah sebagai pemimpinnya, geng ya. Aduh, Mat Saleh Amerika ini, geng ya. Dan ada beberapa audiens, geng ya, dari beberapa negara tadi. Ada Thailand, ada Uzbek, Filipina, Malaysia, Indonesia, China. Tapi beberapa di antara language yang agak sedikit berbeda tadi, geng. Rasa-rasanya China dan juga Mongol, geng ya. Dari penyebutan McD, sandwich ya. Itu agak lucu sih, geng ya. Tapi oke lah, popcorn juga yang agak aneh nih kalau popcorn itu Myanmar, geng ya. Pak atau pok itu, geng ya. Oke. Tetap tolong fokus kawan-kawan ya. Tetap tolong fokus kawan-kawan, fokus, geng ya. Ya lumayan lah, geng ya, sekalian kita menyegarkan mata, refresh mata. So, gimana, geng? Kalau menurut kalian sendiri, geng, yang mana nih dari bahasa-bahasa yang agak sedikit pelik mungkin di telinga kita? Negara mana? Boleh komen di ruang komentar, geng ya. Kalau Malaysia dan Indonesia saya rasa hampir sama lah, geng ya. Untuk menyebutkan sesuatu atau pronunciation-nya itu ya sama lah, geng ya. Ya itu, kalau menurut kawan-kawan macam mana, geng ya? Dari sekian bahasa ini apakah ada yang sekiranya buat kalian agak aneh atau pelik, ya boleh komen di ruang komentar. Tapi nice, geng ya. Jadi dalam satu negara itu pasti ada beberapa penyebutan yang berbeda-beda, geng, apalagi dalam bentuk benda. Ya, biasanya sebutannya itu beda-beda. Begitu di China, Mongol, Indonesia, ya, Malaysia, Vietnam, semuanya itu terkadang agak kurang sama, geng ya, atau bahkan gak sama sekali, geng ya. Itu. Oke, geng ya. Sepertinya cukup sudah untuk video kita kali ini. Awas, geng, tetap fokus, geng ya. Oke, geng, sepertinya saya harus pamit dulu, geng ya. Dan biasanya kalau ada video menarik yang boleh kita ulas bersama-sama, silakan kirim videonya di DM Instagram. Nah, di sini. Dan akhirnya saya Wak Lonjong pamit dulu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I love you Malaysia, I love you Indonesia, I love you all Asians. Bye bye, geng.